What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making homemade peanut butter cups. We hope y'all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. This recipe is fairly simple. All you'll need is 4 ingredients, which is chocolate chips, peanut butter, powdered sugar, and butter. We're going to start by cutting 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Place it in a bowl and mix. Add a half a cup of peanut butter. Add a half a cup of powdered sugar and mix with a spatula to prevent powder from going everywhere. Then use a hand mixer or continue with a spatula to smooth out the peanut butter. In a separate bowl, add half of your chocolate chips and melt in the microwave in 15-second intervals, or follow the directions on the back of your package. Side tip, if you're melting your chocolate in the microwave, be sure to use a microwave-safe bowl. Next, line up your cupcake liners in a cupcake pan or on a flat surface. Using a spoon or piping bag, fill the bottom of each cup with chocolate. If the chocolate don't lie flat, drop the pan repeatedly on the counter and it will flatten out. Place in the freezer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the chocolate from the freezer. Using a spoon or piping bag, add peanut butter to the center and flatten out. Place in the freezer for another 10 to 15 minutes. Melt the rest of your chocolate chips. After 15 minutes, we're going to remove it from the freezer and add the rest of our chocolate on top of our peanut butter and immediately flatten out. Place in the freezer for another 15 minutes. And there you have it, homemade peanut butter cups. Once again, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.